So it's pretty stormy here today in New Jersey at Over Manufacturing. So what do we do when it's stormy outside? Well, we focus on making some high quality bandanas. So let me show you what we're up to today. We've got bandanas coming down the belt right now for our client, the Secret Hero project. We're using the Discharge printing method, which is actually screen printing, but with Discharge inks. You want to take a look down here. Here's one of them coming off the belt right now for the Secret Hero project. It's a black bandana made by us here in the United States, right here in New Jersey, and it's got a nice white ink on it. And what people really want to know when they're ordering custom bandanas is there going to be a feel to the ink? And the answer is no. When you put this on your face or you wear it around your head, you want to make sure that it's not scratchy and uncomfortable. So here, it was screen printed using traditional screen printing methods, but with Discharge inks. Discharge inks offer like a bleaching effect. So what we do is we take the black out of the bandana and we replace it with white. It's a special pigment dye that actually has very little, if any, feeling to it. And as you can see, we've got more rolling off the belt right now. We also just finished a project for the Boy Scouts. They're doing a popcorn sale, as they do, and they're going to be giving out these cool popcorn bandanas for anybody that donated and purchased some popcorn. So if you're looking for some custom bandanas with your company logo or just a cool design, consider giving us a call here at Over Manufacturing, based in New Jersey.